Wealth building tips for Canadian RNs. Hey everyone, it's Simple Fit Nurse. Being an RN in Canada is rewarding but doesn't always come with a massive paycheck. Here's the good news. With the right strategies, you can build a comfortable future. In this video, we're diving into wealth building tips specifically for Canadian RNs. Whether you're just starting or are a seasoned professional, these tips will help you maximize your income. Let's explore ways to boost your income. As an RN, consider furthering your education. Specialized certifications often come with a pay bump. Think about areas like critical care or nurse management. Specializations can significantly increase your earning potential. Consider picking up extra shifts or working part-time at another healthcare facility. Those extra hours can make a big difference, especially if you can snag higher-paying evening or weekend shifts. For more flexibility, think about side gigs like telehealth nursing or teaching nursing courses online. These options can provide additional income and diversify your skills. Now let's talk about managing those hard-earned dollars. It all starts with a budget. Track your spending every single dollar. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or a notebook. The key is to understand where your money is going. Make a conscious effort to live within your means. Focus on needs versus wants, and be mindful of your spending habits. If you're carrying high-interest credit card debt, make it a priority to tackle that first. Consider debt consolidation options or balance transfer cards with lower interest rates. True financial freedom comes from having control over your finances. Be proactive in managing your expenses to build a solid financial foundation. Now let's talk about putting your money to work through saving and investing. First, build that emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will protect you from unexpected financial curveballs. Once you've got your emergency fund sorted, let's talk about retirement. As an RN in Canada, you have access to excellent retirement savings plans like the RRSP. Contribute as much as you can to maximize tax benefits and grow your retirement nest egg. Start by learning the basics of investing and consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. Investing is a long-term game, so be patient and stay the course. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each month. Chapter 4. Plan for the long term. It's not just about retirement, it's about setting financial goals for all aspects of your life. Define your aspirations, create a plan, and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Ensure you have adequate health, disability, and life insurance coverage. Estate planning is equally important. Create a will, designate beneficiaries, and consider a power of attorney. Having these documents in place will provide peace of mind for both you and your family. Long-term planning is crucial for achieving financial stability and security. Chapter 5. Leverage employer benefits. As an RN, you likely have access to a comprehensive benefits package, so make sure you're maximizing everything it offers. Take full advantage of your health and dental benefits. Explore continuing education benefits offered by your employer. Many healthcare institutions provide tuition assistance or reimbursement programs for courses and certifications. Contribute enough to maximize any employer matching contributions in your pension plan. Title: Financial Literacy and Education. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, so make it a habit to stay informed. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars. There are countless resources available. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Consider seeking professional advice from a certified financial advisor. A good advisor can help you navigate complex decisions and stay on track toward achieving your financial goals. Outrow your journey to financial wellness. So there you have it, a roadmap to building wealth as a Canadian RN. Take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and stay committed to your long-term goals. Start by implementing these tips today. And remember, even small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and keep striving for financial wellness. Your financial journey is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach.